This XUV700 came to us with dents and scratches on the left side. Time to make it perfect again. Our expert team got to work, carefully reshaping the metal and restoring the panels to their original form. After precise surface prep and sanding, the car was ready for a fresh coat of paint. And here's the result. Flawless and just like new. Now let's dive into the full process.
Hi everyone, I'm Meena here from Krithi Car Care, and if you see, we have today XUV700. This car is here for panel repairs, and as you can see, right from fender till both the doors and quarter panel has damages. So we are going to fix these damages and do the painting of the car.
Our first step was dent removal. Instead of simply filling in the dents, we took the time to carefully restore the original shape of the panels. This ensures a long-lasting and high-quality repair, rather than just a quick fix. Once the dents were pulled out, we applied a thin layer of body filler to smooth out any minor irregularities. After that, a fine coat of putty was added to refine the surface further. Sanding is crucial because it smooths out imperfections and allows the new paint to adhere properly. A layer of primer was then applied to ensure a uniform base before painting. Primer sanding comes next, leveling out any minor imperfections and ensuring the surface is flawless, ready to accept the final paint layers. Painting is one of the most critical steps. We matched the exact factory color and applied multiple coats for a flawless finish. Precision blending was done to ensure there were no noticeable differences between the repainted areas and the original paint. After the paint cured, we polished the surface to bring out the glossy finish, making it look as good as new.
Hi, my name is Krithi, and the reason we are shooting this video is because I had a XUV500 for which I got the PPF and detailing done through Krithi Car Care. For 2 years, there was absolutely no issue, but unfortunately, a couple of weeks back, I had a small accident where a rickshaw rubbed my left side. So the entire panel had to be, repainted. So you can see the car after the work is done. So you won't even make out that that side had an accident. So their service is very professional, and the way they carry out things is also, they don't take any shortcuts as per my knowledge. So if you're looking for a trustworthy body shop and detailing center, I think you should come visit Krithi Car Care and give them a try. You won't be disappointed. Thank you.
Hope you liked our body shop video process, and apart from body shop, you also do detailing, ceramic coating, PPF services, alignment and balancing of the car. In case you are looking out for any services for your car, so please do reach out to us on the number which is mentioned at the end of the video. Do subscribe to our channel and like and share our videos as well. Thank you.